English is speaking not a children play. English is speaking like a undertaker play. Taj Mahal create.
Taj Mahal create.
Yes. Again time. Careful. Again time this behavior. So touch to my fingerprint. You chick. So big chick. You chick. Rat chick. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Shut up.
जीरो नहीं जीरो, क्रिकेट नहीं क्रिकेट, फोन नहीं फोन, बिस्कुट नहीं बिस्किट. The Indian cinema over the years has highlighted India's anxieties about being able to speak good English. Most of the Indians speak wrong English, fake accent, या फिर कुछ गड़बड़ pronunciation.
You meet me in the backside when my period is empty. मैं तुम्हें सब कुछ सिखा दूंगी. हाय हाय, थोड़े मस्कल कितने स्ट्रांग है नी?
जी. She means you have strong muscles.
Thank you. Thank you.
And you'll see in day-to-day life, many people are trying to speak English, चाहे वो interview crack करने के लिए हो या फिर लड़की को impress करने के लिए. But have you ever wondered why English still holds such power in India even after 77 years of independence? Well, let's find out in this video. क्या आपको पता है इंडिया इज द सेकंड लार्जेस्ट इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड, but only 10% of our population speaks English fluently.
You know, yesterday I reminded the nation of a word called snollygoster, which is an 1845 American concoction, meaning a shrewd and unprincipled politician.
The remaining 90% still communicates in regional languages, but वो English सीखना चाहते हैं.
I Shashi.
Shashi? Shashi, what can I do for you?
How to join class?
A 2009 national poll found that 87% of Indians think that English जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है to succeed in life, and 54% believe that those who can speak English are superior to them. क्या result था? More and more families across rural India, villages are now putting their children in private primary schools क्योंकि कहा जाता है कि ये schools English better सिखाते हैं. And alongside this, spoken English classes have come up in every tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 towns and cities, teaching Indians from various age groups and occupations how to master the art of speaking in English. But where does this obsession come from? Scholars कहते हैं it comes way back in the 19th century when British colonial policies said that English is the language of power, and if you want to work for the British government, then you have to master the art of speaking in English. यहाँ से शुरू हुई English की दौड़, and ये घोड़ा आज भी दौड़ रहा है. Knowing English has become a very prestigious thing, especially for prestigious jobs like IAS, IPS, and other superior government positions. इससे क्या हुआ? English got linked to status, money, and power, a connection that remains strong even today. After the 1990s, as the global economy grew, English became even more crucial, especially in fields like BPOs and IT, where Indians are flooded, where talking to global clients becomes essential. Speaking English became a valuable skill, but यहाँ एक और problem शुरू हो गई. The overemphasis of English started harming the growth of a lot of Indian languages. बहुत से बच्चे, especially underprivileged communities से, started facing challenges in school क्योंकि उनकी English इतनी अच्छी नहीं थी. And after independence, knowing English became a must to get good jobs, especially overseas. अब मेरे दादाजी हो या फिर मम्मी पापा हो, who missed out on good opportunities because they didn't know English so well, thought भाई मेरे बच्चों के साथ ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि good English means good opportunities, and they encouraged us to learn it more and more, thinking that it's a key to success. But today English isn't just about jobs, it is about fitting in with global trends, it is about prestige, it is about status. From hip hop music to wearing branded clothes, everything cool seems to be associated with the West. But क्या ये सही है? Is it necessary to fake accents or adopt Western habits to fit in? तो क्या करें? इसका solution क्या है? Well, learn to speak English. It is important without a doubt, but don't let it define your worth. Don't change your accent to fit in. हिंदी बोलो, अपने roots पे गर्व करो, but also embrace English where needed. It's about balance. शार्पनर में भी बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिनका इंग्लिश इतना अच्छा नहीं है बट वो लोग बहुत अच्छे कर रहे हैं. सो द नेक्स्ट टाइम यू वॉच अ मूवी सीन जहां पे कोई इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पा रहा है, हंसना मत. रिमेंबर, लैंग्वेज इज जस्ट अ टूल, नॉट अ मेजर ऑफ योर वैल्यू. ये वीडियो को शेयर करो जिनको ये सुनना बहुत जरूरी है, जिनको थोड़ा भी इनसिक्योरिटी है या फिर जो बहुत प्राउड फील करते हैं अपने इंग्लिश के बारे में. एंड लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब ताकि YouTube भाई को भी पता चले कि भाई सबको ये जानना जरूरी है. अगले वीडियो में आई विल टॉक अबाउट अ मेजर प्रॉब्लम विद इंडियन यूथ. सो स्टे इन टच.